students, hope you are well and working hard to achieve your goals. So as we had started our chapter 4, manager and managerial rules. In this chapter we had learned the meaning and definition of manager, managerial rules as given by Mintzberg, meaning of management, its definition and characteristics. So today we will discuss the last topic of this chapter, that is importance of management. So first of all we will discuss some key terms that today we are using. So first one is manager. For example, a restaurant manager is in charge of whole restaurant. Likewise, a father is the manager of a house. Similarly, in a business, a person who is in charge of customer service, who deals with customer disputes and who oversees and supervises customer service agents is a manager. So a manager is a person who is responsible for a part of a company, that is, they manage the company. Managers may be in charge of a department and the people who work in it. In some cases the manager is in charge of whole business also. Next is management. For example, in a restaurant, there is a person called a manager who divides duties among the people, like who will cook the food, who will attend the customers, and who will doing the billing function. So each one will function according to their ability, experience and skills, so that the customer feels happy from the services they provide. So management means directing and controlling a group of people or an organization to reach a goal. Management is the process of getting things done through or with people organized in a formal group, or the process of dealing with or controlling things or people is called management. Next is efficiency and effectiveness. For example, a sales manager should build long-term relationships with customers, and that is called effectiveness, means achievement of aim or goal or objective. And achieve high sales at low cost is a efficiency, means doing proper work at proper time, that is efficiency. So we can say that efficiency is usage of proper resources and effectiveness means achieving the goals of the organization. So now we will discuss our importance of management. So there are 7 points of importance of management. First one is achievement of group goals, increasing the efficiency, minimization of cost, establishment of a sound organization structure, survival and growth of an organization, generation of employment, and last one is development of the nation. So these are some points that are considered in the importance of management. So first one is achievement of group goals. For example, simply students have a goal to get good marks in exams, and for that they study well. So there is a goal of to get a good marks in exams. Likewise, businessman has a goal to increase its customers so that they work on to provide good quality of products at reasonable prices. So a human group consists of several persons, each specializing in doing a part of a total task. Each person may be working efficiently, but the group as a whole cannot realize its objectives unless there is a mutual cooperation and coordination among the members of the organization or a group. Next one is increasing the efficiency. For example, firstly 2 workers are required to operate on a machine, but now only one person can handle that machine and produce goods. So that is efficiency. Likewise, initially the farmers plow their fields with the help of farm animals. That takes many days and resources like money. But with the advancement in technology and usage of tractors and other machinery helps to complete work within hours. So managers focus the need for materials, machines, money and manpower. They ensure that the organization has resources and at the same time does not have idle resources. They create and maintain an environment conducive to highest productivity. Managers provide training and guidance to employees so that they can make the best use of the available resources. Next one is minimization of cost. For example, initially the farmer plows fields with the help of farm animals. That takes many days and resources, for example like money, but with the advancement in technology, usage of tractors and other machinery helps to complete work within hours. So fastest completion means more work done and cost like money needs use less. So this is called a minimization of cost. In the modern era of cutthroat competition, no business can succeed unless it is able to supply the required goods and services at the lowest possible cost per unit. Management directs day-to-day operations in such a manner that all wastage are avoided. By reducing cost and improving efficiency, the managers enable an enterprise to face competition and earn profits. Next one is establishment of a sound organization structure. So management creates a sound organization structure in accordance with the desired objectives and the nature of the work to be performed to achieve them. It lays down a logical and sound pattern of authority and responsibility relationships between various positions. Management also fills their structure with the right persons having the required qualifications and experience. It also creates an appropriate work environment to create mutual understanding, cooperation and teamwork among the people working together in the organization. Next one is survival and growth of the organization. For example, Reliance Industries, Tata Groups, Infosys, ITC, Hindustan Lever all are successful in today's world. Like Reliance Industries deals with products like oil and gas, food and grocery telecommunications. That means the industry grows and expands according to the needs they have and fulfill the needs of their customers. So modern business operates in a complex and ever-changing environment. An enterprise has to adapt itself to changing demands of the market and society. Management helps people to adapt the changes in the environment, and changes in the business environment creates risks as well as opportunities. So managers enable the enterprise to minimize the risks and maximize the benefits of opportunities. In this way, managers facilitate the continuity and prosperity of business in a dynamic environment. Next one is generation of employment. So for example, when the Reliance Industries launched Jio, they create employment opportunities. Likewise, Coca-Cola India is proud to make in India and make for India. 100% of the manufacturing is done in India across 57 factories which employs 25,000 people directly and over 2 lakh indirectly. Likewise, in Amritsar, metro buses and flyovers establishments give employment to lots of people. So generation of employment means by setting up and expanding business enterprises, managers create jobs for the people. People earn their livelihood by working in these organizations. Managers also create such an environment that people working in an enterprise can get job satisfaction and happiness. In this way, managers help to satisfy the economic and social needs of the employees. Next one is development of the nation. So for example, like exports of goods like textiles, cotton, plastic, cereals, seafood, machinery, iron and steel from India to other countries increase the supply of foreign money and develop the nation. Likewise, now every town, village has proper transportation, banking and education facility. So efficient management is equally important at the national level. The development of a country largely depends on the quality of the management of its resources. Likewise, capital investment and technology can lead to economic growth only when these are managed effectively. So management improves standards of living of people by generating wealth and automatically develop the nation. So these are some points of importance of management. So now you have to write the question answers. So your first question is, in the absence of management, the productive resources will remain resources and shall never become production. In the light of this statement, explain the importance of management. Go through the various YouTube links so that you can write the answer of this question in a better way.